Now I want to cut my hair.
Hello!
Paleochora. It's full of cats. The land of cats.
Aku sejenak pengat Sesena poti lagi Jamba gustari sarhile
I found them.
Ma non cancellare, dov'è che esce il demone?
Da lì.
Perché da lì? Cosa c'è?
Niente.
Corpo al demone?
Niente.
Ma se mi fai dentro frattivo.
The next day.
So that day we woke up really early to take a boat and arrive at a remote island in the Cretan Sea called Gavdos. And it was a very beautiful experience.
Yeah.
That's our boat. It's called Las Calojannis.
This is a boat for Gavdos.
very small. Okay, we found this place. It's our new home. It's very beautiful. We are in this beach of Gaptos and we found this place to put the tent. And we have neighbors right there and right there and there and the beach.
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive. Can I hide away above it all in the silence? It's conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe that what's inside us will release us now. Oh, no, the world just have to trust now. Then maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time, and the lessons we learned from a long past have all but abandoned our small minds. Scream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth, but maybe we're blind by the sign. Maybe we're blind by the sign. Maybe we're blind by the sign. There's something special that we're keeping in a place that's close and near and dear to our hearts. It's alive, not different in our existence, and it can never happen to us. I only know this because I feel it, and I can see that I've been left in the dark now. Or what's worse, that we need it. It leaves me speechless, but we'll just have to try.
This is our plate. Rice with potato and lentils. Okay, now we're going to explore.